Here I've got Blaupunkt SF and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to scroll down, locate and open languages and input. Then go to the languages, so it's the very first tab, and if you would like to change this language, click on add a language, the plus icon. And as you can see now, you've got the wide list of languages, so everyone will find something suitable. And let me change the default language to, for example, Espanol. Now just select the region, and to make it a default language, you have to swipe it up to the first place, and from now on, as you can see, everything is in Espanol. Let me go back. And as you can see, the default language has been changed. Then if you would like to go back to English or change it one more time to some other language, simply open Idiomas and then swipe English up. Now it's a default one. And if you would like to, okay, just let me do it one more time. And if you would like to permanently remove Espanol, simply click on the more icon located here, click on remove, select the one that you would like to delete and click on bin icon. Now confirm that you would like to delete it by tapping on OK. And that's it. As you can see, now we are back in English. So everything is back in English. So that's basically all. This is how you can change language in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.